So sustainability for me has 5 pillars. One is the economic, so meaning that everything that we create is within the budget of the client and the maintenance cost in the long run like work perfectly in balance with the client needs. Second is the social, meaning that the people that are going to interact in the space feel enhanced, feels motivated, brings life, not takes life. And social is key. The third one is the environment, is that we work with the proper materials, as I said before, and we connect them in a way that we bring life into the nature. Because of course, the most sustainable thing is not to do anything, not to create anything, but it's how we can challenge that, how we can incorporate our designs into the land by bringing even more life to the nature that is surrounding us. And to answer the question about comfort and sustainability, I think they go hand by hand. We have this kind of old concepts that we think that sustainable is challenging or sustainable means less luxury. For me, and I've been living in wooden and wood houses for the past 7 years, is completely the opposite. Once you align yourself with nature, first you heal yourself, you are more present, you are in your body, you are in your spirit. And second, you realize that the simple living is the way to go. There is many techniques, architecture kind of tricks that we use to bring this, in the way we shade the buildings, in the way the water moves, how we unite like at the outside and the inside. And that you will see it. But for me, it's first sharing and especially with my peers, like this idea of coming back to our roots, of let's stop complicating things, let's get back to more mindfulness, more hard living, and from there create spaces that empower us all to live happier and enjoy this gift that life is. To allow us to see, like here we have the banana trees, these wooden houses, to be grateful for what already is. And I think, the biggest change that I would like to impulse through my architecture and through sustainability and comfort, the biggest comfort is to live in your heart, to be present. And that anything outside of you, you can be anywhere, but the idea is to inspire that coming back to ourselves. And that's my real dream with my architecture. It has nothing to do with famous, with beautiful shapes, have all to do with being yourself, understanding yourself, and from then finding peace wherever you go.